The first thing you need to do is to create a GarageBand. Here's what I've got. We'll exit the GarageBand. We now hold on it and tap Share. You'll have the option to choose Ringtone. I'll name it Mix Beat 2. Now you press Use Sound As. You tap Standard Ringtone. Now what we need to do is to go into Clock. Now that we're in Clock, you can tap Create a New Alarm. What I can do, that doesn't really matter which one, over here, Mix Beat 2, here we go. Thanks for watching, and again, please subscribe to the channel, like the video and turn on post notifications. Peace out.